I'm Joe Indiviro with Colta Urban, and welcome back to the island at the West Bay Club. I'm here on the 17th floor, and just take a look at these incredible golf views. We've recently jumped the crane, and we're now pouring about 1/4 per week, keeping us on track for the structure to top out this summer. Framing and window systems are progressing on the lower residential floors, and all the site utilities are now in place. I'm standing in what will soon be the grand lobby at the island at the West Bay Club. The arrival experience has been thoughtfully designed to feel warm, refined, and welcoming from the moment residents walk through the doors. The private lobby will feature sophisticated coastal-inspired interiors, elevated finishes, and secure access controlled entry points, all supported by a 24/7 staff lobby experience. I'm standing in the open kitchen of Residence 02 on the 8th floor, which is currently available with only 4 residents per floor, all corner residents. These homes live like penthouses, offering 3,400 square feet of interior living space and nearly 500 square feet of terrace space. This exceptional residence features 4 bedrooms and 4 baths, expansive floor-to-ceiling glass, private elevator access entry, and oversized terrace create a seamless indoor-outdoor lifestyle designed to take full advantage of the surrounding golf and the golf course views. Residents of the island at West Bay Club will also enjoy an elevated collection of amenities, including rooftop pool and spa experiences, along with access to West Bay Club's championship golf, private beach club, dining, wellness, and racket sports amenities. As the building continues to soar, more of the golf comes into view, along with sweeping vistas of West Bay Club, its beautiful golf course and surrounding community. Thanks for following along as the island at West Bay Club continues to elevate. The momentum on site is incredible, and we can't wait to share even more progress with you this summer. We'll see you next time for another exciting update from the island at West Bay Club.